Hello, so welcome to the channel again, and we are continuing the series of UI UX design in which we are now finally designing the main website, that how the website should look. So in the previous session we have improved the organization chart and we have made it more clear so that it become an amazing prototype. Now we will going to design the prototype of the website. It is not the original website, but it is showing that how the original website will going to look. So let's design the main appealing part of this website. So for designing this, I have already opened uh, the main template for this, and after opening this template, let's one by one keep on adding the main themes inside it. So we will going to work upon the theme as a UI UX designer. So we will going to first of all go to the elements. In the elements, we will going to use the frame. First of all, now the frame will decide which particular image you will going to add. So let's add first of all certain frames, but we need to decide that on which basis your website will be based upon. So suppose my website is based on like general website of uh, increasing the profit. So to increase the profit, the website is based upon. So now I will be using different frames here. So let's as of now use this frame. So now this frame you can increase or decrease as per your choice. So I will be using this now since my whole website will be based on the increasing the profit. So I will be selecting the image according to it. So let me select the image of a, you will go to the photo section. You will select the image according to your choice. So I will be selecting this image. As soon as I will put the image here, it will take the frame of that particular shape. So now the image is actually scaled according to the frame. So far we have done two things. That is, we have defined what is the goal of our website. My goal of the website is to increase the profit. It means my website, when you visit it, when the user will come here, they will get an idea that this website is about increasing the profit. And now the second part is to add the shape of the frame. So whichever frame you want, you will going to add that. The next element that I have added is I have scaled the image, chosen the image according to the concept, and then I have put it into the particular frame that you have already chosen. So after this, I will going to decide what will be the content that will come over here. So the content that will be come over here will be in which font, all that we will going to study. Now again, I will going to come to the frame and I will going to select another frame. So now I will going to choose this frame as of now. Now you can see that this frame is occupying the previous frame. So I will going to do the layering. I will send it back and then I can see that the frame is now at the back of the image. I will going to do it like this. Now I will select accordingly again the profit, and again I will going to select the image according to my uh, concept. So now you can select any image. Yes. So you can select the image accordingly. You can select, you can increase or decrease the frame, right? So I will delete the image. The frame remains like this. So let me add it over here. So let me go to the photos and let me add this photo. I will going to add at the back. So you can see I have added a photo. It means that now I have in total 2 photos with me. Now accordingly you can increase or decrease the shape. So let me decrease the shape of it. Let me put it here. Yes. So now I will define the color of this page. So I will be selecting the color, and after selecting the color, I will be adding the search bar, because the search bar is an important element. So you can select any search bar. For me, according to the concept that is the profit, I will going to select the search bar according to my perspective. So I will be going with this search bar. You can even change the color of the search bar. So I will be keeping it this color. Now, there will be the home page for your website. So let us define the home tab for your website. Now you have a lot of option for the home tab. So instead of tab, if I will write button, then it will work absolutely great. So you can see lot of button here, but according to my concept only, I will going to select any one button from here. So let's see. Yeah, this one works great for me. And I will going to add it over here. Search bar will be here. And button will be here. Now I want that there will be the menu button as well for my website. So menu button is again another element that is required. So you can search for the menu button. So you can see a lot of menu button here, but the button that I will going to select for my menu is out of these. You can select any one of them. Even you can design your own menu button. So for designing it, I have a good idea in my mind that you will going to put a line and then you can define your menu button. So let's use design a menu button. So I have lines here, right? So now I will also have a circle. Mm, we will going to decrease this circle. Pause, you will going to bring it over here. So I have duplicated one circle, right? So you will going to put it over here, make it small. Small. The third one. So now I guess your menu button is ready to go. Just adjust them carefully. So I am adjusting and creating my own menu button. So I will going to group them together as a single, and I will going to use it as a menu button for me. So you can see that you can use this menu button anywhere you want. So I will be using right over here, the menu button. Now it will list me certain options. So let's see which option it will going to list for me. So it will going to list me certain options, right? And after adding the menu button, I will going to add certain tests. So here you can add any test that then you can now you will going to okay. Now you will going to write certain text over here as well. So let's write certain text. So you can put this text over here. You can change the color of this text. Perfect. Now after this, you can make the home button here. And after this, you can even change the font family of this. Font family of this. Yes. So now our basic website is ready. So in today's session, we have learned about the basic elements of the website. And you have learned about the home button, the menu button creation, as well as how you can link the concept of the website to the different frames and images. So we have also learned how to add the images as well. So we will meet with the next session of UI.